Alright, this is how to make the notes for Chapter 6 for algebra if you haven't made them yet and you're a distance learner. You need 3 pieces of paper, 2 white and 1 that's colored. Oh, ignore that, pretend it's blank. Okay, so 2 white and 1 colored. It could be construction paper, that colored piece, or you could use 3 white pieces of paper. Okay, and then what you do is line them up, and then you're going to offset them slightly by maybe flip them over, and then you're going to offset them maybe like a ½ an inch from each other. Okay, so then I have my white offset with, and then my colored is the lowest. And they don't have to be perfect, just something like that. Then flip it over and fold it down so you can see once you flipped it over, the bottom is now pre-offset. Fold it down so that it will still be offset. So you're not folding it in half, you're folding it down just enough, like line it up, and then you're going to put a crease in it. Okay? And then you'll have all these flaps. And then you're going to put a staple, one on each side, like here and here. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Like here has a staple here. Okay? And then you're going to write your notes. I know a few of you missed those, so here's a completed one. 6th period, we got the notes for residuals finished. So pause the video when I open it, but you start by drawing a line down the middle. I just eyeballed it. Use a ruler or a straight edge. And then I also drew this line in here by just drawing it on the flap. That's why mine has a mistake there. Write this on the cover, and then you can write residual. These other flaps will fill in as we go, as we learn Chapter 6. And then you're going to open it, and you're just going to crease it right below the staple lines. And then you're going to pause the video now, and you're going to write these notes about residuals. And then the rest of the notes we will get, here it is zoomed in, hopefully we'll go farther into the video. The rest of these notes we will fill in as we learn these topics in Chapter 6.